particular specimen or trophies from either an elephant or a rhino or a lion and all that.
Jagoro mongirore Migago mar somo Belio Kipsang osingo ni piny owacho biro dhi nyime kod jiwo dongruok jopuonje ma pachoka kokalo tiegogi ewi somb CBC. Kipsang owacho ni kata bed ni nitiere ng'ikruok matin ewi lai mar somo no, jopuonje osenyalo chwalo duoko maber e piny mokwongo mar CBC manotim. Noyango ma e kinde mane jokanyo mar Migago mar somo ma Piny Uganda nolimo kuonde somo ma pachoka puonjore matut ewi kaka lai mar somo no itimo ka luwore koda yo manyien ma bende osechaki kaachiel koda NEC.
Kenyans were worried that will our teachers be objective when they are scoring our children on school-based assessment. You know, there was a lot of fear, but now out of what we saw is that there is quite some good work that our teachers were able to do. So what we are now doing is to continue building the capacity of teachers in the way that they do assessment, in the way that they do delivery, because there was slightly some change in the way that we do on pedagogy, because now it is more centered on the learner. The teacher is playing more a role of a facilitator and sharing of knowledge. So there was quite a lot of work that we needed to do in terms of building capacity of our teachers and all that we are doing. So that is what the far that we have come in terms of the competence-based education.
We noted with appreciation that there are efforts to integrate ICT into classroom practices. We noted the alternative pathways provided for flexibility in the curriculum implementation process to ensure that learners with different abilities are catered for. We have noted that the integration of community service and pertinent and contemporary issues into the curriculum is a very good intervention.